All right, so today's day one of my real estate commercial film shoot. I'm shooting for a company in Long Island. This place is beautiful. It's a beautiful property in East Meadow. It's on a golf course, real nice. So what I need to do today is I'm setting up the Phantom to do some aerial shots of the golf course, the backyard, the pool, the front, and we're going to take some interior shots, setting up the cameras, getting everything ready for that. I want to come through the back and get it so that way I can get the golf course and then be able to get like the full shot. This is really exciting, you know. It's good to really get out and get these kind of shots, especially on a golf course. I haven't, shot from a golf course before, but this should be pretty cool for the most part. We're getting ready for takeoff here. That looks good. I don't just shoot drone footage and make a video and say, here you are. I don't just shoot a video with them speaking or whatever and just give it to them. Well, what Vision Productions and what I do is I'm an investor myself. I love real estate. So that's the market that I wanted to target, was the real estate market. So it's not just a special drone company, a special production. It's everything into one. This is the cleanest fridge that I've ever seen in my entire life. I kid you not. I mean, immaculate. I mean, I guess if you're shooting a commercial, like, you telling people to have everything clean, but I mean, really? See how clean that is? I'm not mad at it though. So with these commercials, you get the drone footage that you'd get from an actual drone company, and then you get the production side of talking to brokers, testimonials, that the interview mixed into one big production, and that's what is deliverable. That's what I'm doing. That's what my strongest point is, making these commercials, especially pertaining to real estate. That doesn't mean that I'm excluding other companies and no other companies can shoot commercials. Shout out to Yes Realty in Long Island. The commercial, I'm pretty sure you'll see the commercial when it comes out. So today's day one of the shoot, and it's gonna be great.